Whether you're a beginning photographer or you have a bit more experience, choosing the right camera can, for many people, be quite a challenge. I'm Lola, and in this video I'm happy to help you get started. We'll talk about the different Nikon product series and models and why the size of the camera can make a real difference in your photography experience. We'll also briefly discuss the type of image sensor and the role of in-body image stabilization, or IBIS for short. Let's get started and find the right Nikon mirrorless camera for you. Think carefully about how much photography experience you have and also consider what you'll be using the camera for. Nikon has several different product series, and each series has its own distinctive features, making them suitable for a variety of different types of photography and experience levels. For example, one of the series consists of professional cameras with a retro look. So these cameras resemble old school analog cameras in appearance at first glance, but they have the same powerful features as Nikon's other mirrorless cameras. And then there are Nikon's full-frame mirrorless cameras, which belong to a different series. These cameras have the largest image sensors, so you get extremely clear photos. You can use these cameras as an enthusiastic hobbyist, but they're also perfect for professional photographers. And then there's another series with compact cameras, which is perfect for beginners or vloggers. These cameras have a smaller image sensor, so your photos might be just a little bit less bright in low light situations, but they're super easy to use. The smaller the camera, the easier it is to take it with you on the go. Larger cameras have a sturdy and reliable grip, so you can photograph with ease and comfort. Of course, the best choice really depends on how you'll use your camera. We have cameras in different sizes, and we divide them into 3 size categories: small, medium, and large. A large camera is a bit less convenient to take with you on the go because of its larger size and heavier weight. But for professional use, having a large grip is actually really nice. It lets you hold the camera securely, which can be great if you're photographing for a long time. Thanks to their compact size, small cameras are easy to take with you, perfect for trips and vacations. Plus, you won't be lugging around much extra weight. On the flip side, these cameras don't feel quite as comfortable in your hand, which makes them a bit less ideal for professional photography. And then there's the medium-sized option, which is especially useful if you're often out and about with your camera, like for on-location shoots. Thanks to the larger grip, it's more comfortable to hold. Still, it might not feel quite as comfortable as with a really large camera. A camera's image sensor is essentially its eye. It captures light and converts it to an image. There are different sensor sizes, and the larger the sensor, the more light it captures. That means your photos will look bright and highly detailed. With Nikon, you have 2 options: the APS-C sensor and the full-frame sensor. The APS-C sensor is a bit smaller and captures a little less light. So in low light situations, your photos might be a bit less bright and have slightly less detail. And if you crop a photo, you lose just a bit more quality. On the other hand, you have the full-frame sensor, which is larger and more sensitive to light. This means you can take bright and detailed photos, even in especially challenging low light conditions. Full frame is the best choice if you want the absolute most from your photos. IBIS, in-body image stabilization. This technology reduces unwanted camera movements like shakes or vibrations. With IBIS, you can record smooth, shock-free videos and use longer exposures without motion blur. This way, you still get bright and sharp photos, even in the dark. Without IBIS, your photos are more likely to turn out blurry when shooting in the dark with a slower shutter speed. Handheld videos also look less smooth and professional without it. I hope you now have a better idea of which Nikon mirrorless camera suits you best, whether you go for a compact model to take on your travels or a full frame for those perfect evening shots. The most important thing, of course, is that you find something that matches your style and needs. Still have questions? Feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new camera. See you!